the smell of race gas and horsepower, and just accelerates the vibration where it kind of hits you. It's a lot of fun.
The racers, they live for this smell. Like the second the bike starts up, you can tell who's a racer and who's not.
What's your favorite part about these trucks?
Big.
They're big? What's your favorite truck out there?
Right there.
Which one? Right there? This dirt?
Just the excitement, the competition.
The fun, the family, the closeness, supporting everybody.
Just get together with friends and making friendships and everyone. It's a good time.